Today we'll make this delicious creamy spinach pasta. Trust me, this is going to be one of your favorite pasta recipes once you make it. So let's get started. Take a pot of water and when it nearly comes to boil, add 2 teaspoons of salt to it. We need well salted water to boil the pasta. Add the pasta. I'm taking 400 grams of whole wheat pasta here. We'll cook the pasta till it is just done. Now let's start with the sauce. Take 30 grams of butter in a pan and when it melts, add the same amount of plain flour, which is 30 grams in this case. Stir continuously and cook it on a medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes so the sauce doesn't taste raw. Now it's been cooking for about 2 minutes and it's done. Let's take it off heat and gradually whisk in the warm milk. So these 2 steps, first taking it off heat and second adding warm milk instead of cold, will ensure that we get a lump-free sauce. Adding little milk at a time will keep mixing and we'll add a total of 750 ml of warm milk here to make this sauce. It is mixed well now and there are no lumps. We'll return it to heat and stir continuously and bring it to boil. Now it's come to a boil. We'll take it off heat again and stir in around a cup of grated cheese until it melts. I'm using 100 grams of cheddar cheese here. Keep whisking until it blends into a smooth sauce. Overheating the mixture here could have caused the sauce to split, so we took it off heat before mixing the cheese. Our rich, lump-free, smooth cheese sauce is ready. Keep it aside and let's take a look at the pasta. It's almost done. Still a bit firm, that's how we want it. We'll drain it and keep some of this water aside if we need to use it later. Take a pan and on medium heat add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. To it, add half a tablespoon of dried oregano, half a tablespoon of basil, and half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Saute them all for about a minute. If you're using fresh garlic, saute it first till it's slightly golden and then add the dried herbs. Now add chopped spinach. This is 180 grams of spinach. Mix it well with the herbs and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Spinach is done now. It was quick to cook and as you see, it is reduced a lot. Reduce the heat to low and in goes the cooked pasta. Now we'll add the white sauce on top. Mix well and if the sauce is thick, add a bit of pasta water that we saved. I'm adding about half a cup of water here. Add salt and pepper to taste. Remember, cheese has salt, pasta and pasta water, if you added that, has salt too, so adjust the salt accordingly. Cover the pan and let it sit for another 4 to 5 minutes on low heat and then it's ready to serve. Looks so delicious, isn't it? It doesn't need any garnishing. You may sprinkle some cheese on the top though and dig in. Hope you liked this video. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out for you. For more such easy to follow, delicious homemade recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon with another interesting video. Thanks for watching.